I am about to tell you how to make the very best baked salmon. Stick around. Well, to cook the very best salmon, you need the very best salmon. So I got the best salmon I could buy. This comes from Costco. Let's go ahead and get started, and let's see how we can get this from this to this. Preparation is not that difficult. All we have to do is grab this right here and place it in a very nice receptacle that we're going to be able to put in the oven so that we can make it taste as good as possible. I like to cook in this glass right here, and that's the way I like to do it. I'm going to go ahead and grease the bottom of the pan, and I'm going to salt and pepper it. Okay, so here is the oil. I'm going to go ahead and place it right here. Not very much, just enough to be able to move my fingers here and massage the oil right onto the pan as much as I can here, and just rub it all the way down. Yes, my hands are clean. And there it is right there, so that's good. And I'm going to get some pepper, some salt. Here's my pepper. Pepper that right there. The point here is to go ahead and try to get the skin of the salmon all the way down to the bottom and get nice and peppered. And then, of course, I like it kind of salty because to me, the bottom or the skin of the salmon is very much like a nice crunchy tostada or something like that once you get it. So I've already washed it. Because I've already cooked the other half. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go and open it. Go ahead and open it right here. Alright. Open it and give it one last rinse under cold water. Check for any bones. I actually found one bone last time. Here's another bone. Check for the bones right there. You want it to be as easy to eat and enjoy as possible. So, it's nice and clean, very nice and fresh here. Go ahead and let it drip a little moisture. I don't mind it having just a little water in it. That's okay because it's going to keep it nice and moist. I'm going to place it right on the salt and pepper. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to melt some butter very quickly here, and I'm going to go ahead and pour it right on top. But first I'm going to go and grab some vinegar. What I have here is minced vinegar. I'm going to put the light in here so you can see a little bit better. Very good. This is minced vinegar, so I'll go ahead and give it a shake. And I'm going to pour minced vinegar, which is spiced with a couple of peppers as well as some garlic. And that right there, my friends, is possibly the biggest secret about this recipe to make the salmon taste nothing like an old fish at all, even if it did have a tiny or slightly fishy flavor. Also, vinegar will kill the germs real quick. I'm going to grab that little receptacle to have some butter on it. So here's the receptacle that I'll use. This receptacle here. I'm going to add about 3 teaspoons of butter, roughly 3 teaspoons of butter. This was a real cook show. I'd have everything ready, right? So here it is right there. About 3 teaspoons of butter. I'm going to give it about 29 to 32 seconds in the microwave. So while the butter is heating up in the microwave, I'm going to go ahead and wash my rice cooker to get some nice rice going. And I've got a little bit of a trick that I use. which is my specific trick. I mean, I use this to be able to cook it a little bit faster in case somebody's extra hungry. What I'll do is I'll go ahead and rinse it out. We'll get the rice. And I get that rice, about 3 full cups. And I'll turn on the hot water. Butter's ready. I'll do the butter real quick. Yes, the butter's ready. Okay, now I'm going to wait until this is pretty hot, and I'll show you how hot it is. I don't know if you can tell, but it's definitely hot enough. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and heat that up nice and well. And what I'm doing is I'm already making the receptacle as well as the rice hot while I'm rinsing out the excess starch from the rice. This is Calrose rice. I also bought it at Costco. This is rice from California, and we've actually liked it. We used to have 3 Ladies, which was the brand we used to get. That was Thai jasmine rice. This is a different type of rice. And there it is right there, nice and warm. I leave a little over a finger above of water. And since it is already hot, the receptacle's hot, once I come over to turn on the rice cooker, the rice cooker is going to actually get hot a bit quicker. Not to me. It would seem that that would precipitate the rice to be ready in at least 6 or 7 minutes earlier than usual. That's the reason I do that. Okay, let's get with the butter. Okay, so here's the butter that I've melted. It's nice and melted now. I'm going to go ahead and pour it right over the animal. Pour it. Try to get as much coverage as possible before it, goes to the side. So I try to make it as covered as possible with the butter so that every area gets some butter. Okay, it looks like it has very good coverage. At this point, I will come back with pepper. And first I'll salt it a little bit. Oh, that's a pepper. Let's go and salt it first. Salt it, that brings out the flavor of the meat. And then I will add pepper. This blackens it a bit. Now I like it nice and blackened, the family not so much. So I'm going to be easy on the pepper here and not really quite overdo it too much. Try to get all of the area covered. And now it's ready to go into the oven at 425 degrees. I'll see you in about 17 minutes when it will be done. Before I go, I need to go put back this butter. And boy, isn't it nice that it'll take about 15 minutes or so, 15 to 16 minutes for the rice, about 17 minutes for the salmon. So they'll be ready right about the same time, so you get both nice and fresh. Let's put it in the oven. This is gonna be delicious. Okay, the oven seems to be ready for it at this point. We're only a couple of degrees away from 425. Put it in. See when it comes out.